Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a product to Wave Apps. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are maybe migrating to Wave Apps, or maybe you're a new startup or a new business and you need some sort of accounting software. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. There's not a lot of steps involved, guys, so make sure to stick around all the way till the end, but let's go ahead and get started. Now, when we first log into our Wave Apps account, this is what it's going to look like. Now, under sales and payments, you want to click on this drop down button and then scroll down to where it says products and services. So as you can see on this brand new Wave Apps account, I haven't added any products yet. You can click on add a product or service. So from here, you would simply just enter the name. So you can enter rocks, and the description is landscaping. Here you would enter the price, so we'll say 1,000, and then you can input sell this or buy this, and then also import tax. So I'm gonna put sell this. And as far as income account, you can put in sales, or if you don't have any other income accounts, it's more so up to you on how you've already set up your Wave account. But then afterwards, click on save. So as you can see now, I have a product and service added onto Wave Apps. Now there's no particular way to actually differentiate between a product or service. It's basically itemized the same way onto here as compared to other invoicing softwares or other accounting softwares. But with Wave Apps though, it's a really good app. I've been using it for some time now. It's been absolutely phenomenal for my small business. But as far as adding products or services go, this is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a product or service. But if you guys know of a better, easy way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.